Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So thank you for subscribing, guys, first and foremost, and thank you for the support that you've been giving me. I really appreciate it. First and foremost, I wanted to do this very simple look, so this is the reason why I decided to go with this look, because it's very simple, very easy, nothing, yeah. So I want to do this simple look because I know that previously I did two very, very colorful looks, and I'm thinking like throughout this period I'll be doing a lot of like very colorful looks, and I don't want it to come off overwhelming. So I decided that I'm going to go for a natural look today, and then maybe for my future videos they will be very creative and very colorful. So today I was just feeling this look. I wanted to do something blue because it was like, it's coming on to winter, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I decided to go with the blue liner. And I also wanted to do something a little bit vampy because we're still in fall. So with the vampy and the cool and just everything, I just wanted to put everything on my eyes, and I also wanted to go with the vampy lips. So this is the reason why we went for this look. So it's very simple, it's very easy, it's nothing difficult, super easy. I just use liner to just make the wing, and then use eyeshadow to just press it onto the lid space or the wing line, and basically foundation and contouring and a little bit of highlighter, and yeah, pretty much. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 48. Excuse me for my camera lens, I was using the autofocus. The autofocus on this camera isn't like good. But anyway, I'm using my Jwillscool. So this is the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm using this big fluffy brush to just blend that brown shade. Yeah, so this shade is called Fez, and I'm just using Fez to just blend that across my lids, or across my lid, because I'm dealing with one eye, did the other one off camera, and I'm just using that just to deepen my eyes a bit and just to give it dimension. Then I went in with this is my e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm not really a big fan of this liquid liner, just because it is a liquid liner, and it takes a very long time to dry down compared to the pens that I use, the liner pens. But all my pens have dried up, so I've resorted to the liquid liner. I have to get some really good liners. I think I have one coming from Makeup Revolution hopefully soon. So I just went ahead and made the wing line, and I'm using this blue shade, and this is coming from the Masquerade palette. This is let me get the name of this. Yeah, this color is what's the name? Dahlia from the Masquerade, the Jwillscool Masquerade palette. So guys, the Jwillscool palettes, I just love them, guys. I love them for this purpose, guys. They are very, very nice. And guys, you might wonder, why is my wing line so long? I don't know, yeah, if I made it short, it would just look just too short. I didn't want it so short. I wanted it to be long, and so when I open my eyes, because I have smaller eyes, guys, so if I do my wing line a little bit small, you're not gonna see anything, you know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I went so, yeah. As long as the liner is not longer than your actual your brow tail, then it's fine. So I'm going in with Zora, and Zora is going to be going at my lower lids, and that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing, I mean, this eye look isn't like all that, but yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. I'm just showing you how I just simply do it. Yeah, So I'm just gonna dip into this shade. I was just gonna add this contour color right here. Yeah, then we're just gonna deepen that a little bit so that our face can look nice and, you know, defined, sculpted, because, you know, I kind of gained some weight. I know, and I don't want my face to look like all flat and fat and round. I mean, nothing is wrong with, you know, flat and round. That adds personality, but, you know, just my preference. I just want my face to have some dimension, so that's the reason why we're going in with these, with the whole contouring, the idea of contouring. So just blending that. Okay guys, so yes, we're going to go into my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. My Sylyne 102 brush, and I'm just gonna run it across like so. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really and truly appreciate it, and continue watching because there are big things coming out for this channel. And continue watching if you want to see what's to come. I have so much things to come, so continue watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really and truly appreciate it.